Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the minimum, a project folder with index, HTML and script, JS and Visual Studio Code open on that folder. Once done, create the basic HTML boilerplate and link your script. JS with a script tag at the end of the body so DOM loads first. Make sure to save files. You do this now because linking later causes race conditions. Keeping the script after body ensures your JavaScript can find elements without waiting or extra event listeners. Once your files are ready, run a local server so features like fetch and modules work properly. Install Live Server in VSCode and choose Open with Live Server, or run npm install GHTTP server and start it. Either method serves index. HTML at localhost 5500. Make sure to open the browser and press F12 to inspect console output. You should see console, log messages, and any syntax errors. This explains why a server is preferred versus directly opening files. To finish, test interactivity and debug. Set breakpoints in DevTools, step through functions, and watch variables so you know why behavior differs from expectation. Once confident, bundle or minify if needed and deploy static files to a host like GitHub Pages or Netlify. If things go wrong, start with one troubleshooting tip. Clear the browser cache, confirm the script src path exactly matches file name, and ensure your local server is running. These 3 checks resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.